Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloom extension. First, let's get it installed. Simply navigate to your browser's extension store, search for Bloom, and click Add to Browser. The installation takes less than 30 seconds. Once added, a small icon will appear in your browser toolbar. Click it to begin the initial setup, which involves agreeing to terms and optionally linking your first financial account. This process is straightforward and secure, ensuring your data is protected from the start. Bloom offers several fantastic features to simplify your digital life. It automatically tracks your loyalty points and rewards from dozens of popular online retailers, ensuring you never miss out on savings. Furthermore, Bloom gives you a comprehensive overview of all your subscription services, making it easy to identify and manage recurring payments. You'll also receive smart, personalized recommendations for discounts and deals, helping you save money without extra effort. It's like having a personal financial assistant right in your browser. To get the most out of Bloom, start by linking all your online shopping and subscription accounts. This provides a holistic view of your financial landscape. Next, dive into the settings to customize your notifications. You can choose to receive alerts for expiring rewards, upcoming subscription renewals, or even new money-saving opportunities. Make it a habit to check your Bloom dashboard at least once a week. This quick review helps you stay on top of your finances and ensures you're always making informed decisions. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues, like Bloom not tracking a specific reward. Often, simply refreshing the web page or briefly disabling and re-enabling the extension resolves this. If you need more help, Bloom's comprehensive support website is an excellent resource, featuring detailed frequently asked questions and troubleshooting guides. For personalized assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to their friendly support team directly via email. They are usually very responsive and happy to help you make the most of your Bloom experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.